We're back and we're jumping straight into it, covering Tony Robbins' Unlimited Power. Today we're on to the second key principle from the book. You can control your brain and change the way you process your emotions to overcome depression. Before they have been cut and polished, gemstones look like regular rocks. Tough situations in life are similar to an uncut gem. It's up to you and your brain to polish them and give them brilliant facets. In other words, you can't prevent difficult situations from happening, but you can choose how your mind processes and retains such events. You can consciously control your perception of the world. For example, maybe you want to be an actor, but you bark as your inner voice says you're not talented enough to pass an audition. What your brain isn't telling you is that your skills can be improved and even perfected through classes and diligent practice. Changing that inner voice can make all the difference. First, listen to what the voice is telling you. Next, instead of letting it tell you what you can't do, try telling it what you can do. If this doesn't work, try changing the tone of your inner voice. Make the voice more appealing, even sexy. This trick can divest your inner voice of the power that causes fear and anxiety, making it easier to do the things you're scared of. Such control can be used to defeat depression. Depression doesn't have to be inevitable. One way to prevent it from taking over is to ask yourself, what thoughts go through your mind and what happens in my physiology to create the feelings of depression? Being aware of how depressive feelings are created within you can help you regain control over them. Negative thoughts often trigger or accompany depression. You might think of yourself as no good or ugly or unsuccessful, or perhaps you say discouraging things to yourself in sad tones with your head hanging low. For example, by paying attention to these thoughts and sensations, you can figure out which one triggers your depression, catch them before they take over. Remind yourself that you are good, beautiful and not a failure, and take control of your inner voice. With these tools, you'll find that you have the power to ease your depression.